In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically delete emails from any sender in Gmail. This is especially useful if you're looking to manage your inbox more effectively and want to eliminate recurring emails from specific senders without having to delete them manually each time. So let's dive right in. First off, you'll need to access your Gmail account. Once you are in your inbox, look towards the top where you'll see the search bar. Next to this search bar, there's a tiny downward arrow or an icon. Go ahead and click on that. Doing this will open up the search options for you. This step is crucial as it allows you to specify exactly which emails you want to filter. Now that you've got this view open, you'll see several fields available. You'll want to focus on the From field. In this area, type in the email address of the person or the newsletter from which you wish to automatically delete emails. Being precise here ensures that only emails from the specific address you enter are captured by the filter. With the email address entered, look towards the bottom right of this window and click on the Create Filter button. This is where you start setting your desired actions for these particular emails. Once that's done, you'll be presented with a list of potential actions you can apply. What we're interested in is the Delete It option. By selecting this, you're instructing Gmail to automatically send emails from the entered address straight to the trash bin. Finally, you'll need to click on Create Filter once more to apply and save this rule, and with that you've successfully set up an automatic filter in Gmail to delete emails from the sender of your choice. No more clutter or unwanted messages from that sender cluttering up your inbox. Remember that although this filter moves emails to the trash, they stay there for 30 days before being automatically removed. So if you need any email back from that sender, you have a window to retrieve it before it's deleted permanently. This simple yet effective method can help you maintain a tidy inbox and focus only on the emails that matter most to you. By taking the time to set up these filters, you're taking control of your communication and ensuring your digital space remains pleasant to navigate. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks to optimize your digital life.